Hey everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to be talking about the fashion choices of one of the most stylish actresses in the Telugu film industry, Priyanka Javalkar. Priyanka, the renowned actress, has been captivating her followers on social media with her steamy pictures. Her recent photos in a black dress have become the talk of the town and are going viral. She looks sensual and elegant in the photos, with her curvy nadumu adding value to the picture. In her latest photo shoot, the actress posed in a tiny black top, flaunting her toned midriff and looked too hot to handle in each shot. Her bralette strap slipping off her shoulder added to the allure of the pictures, and fans have been going crazy over them. The actress is a young and attractive actress in South Indian films, and her photos have set social media ablaze. Priyanka Javalkar's latest photo shoot has set the internet ablaze with her hot and bold look in a red lehenga. The pictures, captured by photographer Sekar and assistant photographer Nehal Kazar and Adi, have gone viral on social media. She styled herself for the photo shoot, while makeup artist Arthi Selvarajan and hair stylist Madhu Chakrapu completed her look. Here are some stills from the photo shoot that showcase Priyanka's stunning appearance. The actress is known for her cute and hot looks, which often leave boys mesmerized on social media. Her teasing shots are unmatched, and she is always observed and followed by netizens. Priyanka's glamorous pics go viral in no time, and her recent mind-blowing photos have left her fans excited. Despite wearing modern dresses, Priyanka's beauty shines through in a sari. In her latest photo shoot, she looks stunning in a green sari, with poses that highlight her slinky waist and beautiful smile. Her sleeveless blouse adds to her ravishing appearance, leaving boys unable to turn their eyes away. Priyanka's skin tone and slim waist have been giving guys sleepless nights. These poses are something that has never been seen before from her. Priyanka is an actress who knows how to grab the attention of her fans not just with her exceptional acting skills but also with her sizzling looks. Her fans eagerly await her upcoming posts and pictures on social media, which never fail to impress them and set the internet ablaze. Today, we have compiled a collection of Priyanka's hot and sizzling pictures that have left her fans completely awestruck. These pictures prove that Priyanka is a diva who knows how to capture her fans' attention and set social media on fire with her hotness. It is impossible to take our eyes off these stunning pictures of the beautiful Priyanka Javalkar. The actress recently shared a picture on social media, where she looked stunning in a sheer black sari. The transparent fabric added to the elegance of her look while also highlighting her timeless charm. The actress posed sensuously by the window in natural daylight, donning a small bindi and keeping her short hair simple. With minimal makeup, she flaunted her well-sculpted midriff in the see-through sari, allowing the lightweight fabric to flow freely, exuding an aura of desired eroticism. Completing her look with a well-fitted blouse and a simple pendant neck chain, Priyanka showed how plain saris could be stylish, even with different fabrics like net, organza and mesh, which are a little risky to carry. The picture has gone viral on social media, with fans going gaga over her exquisite beauty. Priyanka Javalkar looks stunning in a white gown with slender straps and a high slit that reveals her legs. Her hair is curled and left open, adding to her charm. In the photo shoot, she poses with a magnificent horse, giving the pictures a distinct touch of elegance. Her latest photo shoot makes her look like a Hollywood beauty and resembles Disney's most beloved princess and fairy, making her look like a dream girl. Riding a horse with confidence, Priyanka's captivating persona makes it difficult to take your eyes off her. Photographer Shreyans Dingarwal captured the stills of Priyanka during the horse photo shoot, while she wore an attire from DHRU Boutique. From sharing pictures of her photo shoots to posting sizzling selfies, Priyanka Javalkar ensures her social media timelines are lively and cheerful. The latest images of the actress showcase her stunning look in a trendy outfit. The actress looks ultra stylish in this new photo shoot where she flaunts her love for florals, and we cannot help but be enamored by her gorgeous appearance. Another appearance, her choice of attire in the latest appearance has left us impressed. The indigo anarkali set is embellished with floral motifs all over and is bordered with silver gotapati. The sleeves and hem are adorned with silver fringed tassels and solid blue piping. The set is paired with pencil-fit black bottoms and a matching dupatta. To complement the look, she opted for an oxidized silver choker and a pair of black sandals, skipping any earrings. A wavy hairdo with minimal makeup and muted lips added to the elegance of the outfit. Priyanka Javalkar's fashion sense never fails to impress. She stays up to date with the latest trends and consistently looks stunning. With a keen eye for detail, she effortlessly combines style with practicality, creating outfits that are both fashionable and functional. She is known for her impeccable sense of style both on and off the screen. She has a unique and effortless style that is both chic and comfortable at the same time. Let's dive into some of her best fashion moments. Priyanka Javalkar chose a half sari that blends traditional and contemporary styles seamlessly. Her outfit in brick red was designed by Shravan Kumar. The floor-length pleated lehenga had a pink border with peacock motifs in gold, while the V-bottom choli was plain with pink piping all over its hem to match the lehenga. The brown dupatta also featured a pink border, and the unique design of the outfit allows it to be worn with or without a dupatta. Priyanka opted for a contemporary copper coin-studded choker and green glass bangles, eschewing the typical jewelry. She completed the look with natural makeup, matching eyeshadow, kohl-rimmed eyes, and nude lips. Priyanka is known for her elegant and timeless style when it comes to dressing up for events. She often opts for classic silhouettes such as flowy gowns or fitted midi dresses in bold hues like red or black. Her accessories are always minimal and perfectly complement her outfits. Moving on to her casual looks, she loves to keep it simple yet chic. She often pairs high-waisted jeans with crop tops or oversized shirts and adds a touch of glam with statement earrings or a stylish pair of sunglasses. She also loves to experiment with prints and textures, and is often seen in flowy dresses with bold patterns or asymmetrical hemlines. When it comes to ethnic wear, Priyanka's fashion game is always on point. She loves to wear traditional saris and lehengas, and always adds her own personal touch to the outfits. She often opts for vibrant colors and intricate embroidery, and is not afraid to experiment with different draping styles. In terms of accessories, the actress loves to keep it minimal and elegant. She often wears simple studs or hoops for earrings, and pairs them with delicate necklaces or statement rings. Her handbags are usually small and functional, and she often opts for sling bags or clutches that complement her outfits. One of the things that sets Priyanka apart from other actresses is her love for fusion wear. She often blends traditional and modern elements in her outfits, creating a unique and stylish look. For example, she might pair a Western-style shirt with a traditional skirt, or wear a sari with a modern crop top. Her fusion outfits are always well thought out and perfectly balanced. She also loves to experiment with different textures and fabrics. She has been seen in outfits made from silk, chiffon, velvet, and even denim. She often plays with layering and adds different textures to her outfits to create a dynamic look. When it comes to shoes, Priyanka loves to wear high heels. She often pairs them with her dresses and saris to elongate her legs and add some height. However, she also knows the importance of comfortable shoes and is often seen in stylish flats or sneakers when she's out and about. She is not afraid to take risks and wear bold outfits that might not work for everyone. However, she always pulls them off with ease and elegance. Her confidence is contagious and inspires her fans to try new things with their own fashion choices. The actress is known for her love of statement pieces. Whether it's a bold necklace, a unique pair of earrings, or a standout handbag, she always manages to make a statement with her accessories. She often keeps her outfits simple and lets her accessories do the talking. Another thing that sets Priyanka apart is her love of monochromatic outfits. She often wears head-to-toe outfits in a single color, creating a sleek and sophisticated look. She might wear a white blouse with white pants and white heels, or wear a red dress with matching red pumps. Her monochromatic outfits are always well thought out and perfectly executed. One thing that stands out about Priyanka's fashion choices is her ability to mix and match different pieces to create a unique look. She often wears a simple outfit and adds a statement piece, such as a bold scarf or a chunky belt, to make it pop. This shows her creativity and versatility when it comes to fashion. The actress also has a knack for choosing the perfect colors that suit her skin tone. She often wears vibrant colors such as reds, pinks, and oranges, which complement her complexion and make her stand out in a crowd. She also knows how to work with more muted tones, such as beige and grey, to create a sophisticated and elegant look. Another fashion choice that Priyanka is known for is her love for denim. She often wears denim jackets, jeans, and skirts, and knows how to style them in different ways to create a variety of looks. She pairs denim with everything from a classic white shirt to a colorful crop top, making it a versatile piece in her wardrobe. When it comes to bags, the actress often chooses ones that are practical and stylish. She loves to carry crossbody bags, backpacks, and totes, which are spacious enough to hold her essentials while still looking fashionable. She also knows how to match the color and style of her bags to her outfits, creating a cohesive and put-together look. Finally, one of the things that makes Priyanka's fashion choices so inspiring is her ability to look confident and comfortable in everything she wears. Whether she's dressed up for a red carpet event or running errands in a casual outfit, she always looks at ease and in control. This is a testament to her confidence and positive attitude, which makes her stand out as a fashion icon. Overall, Priyanka Javalkar's fashion choices are a perfect balance of timeless elegance and modern trends. She is not afraid to experiment with different styles and always manages to look effortlessly stylish. We hope you enjoyed this video and got some inspiration for your own fashion choices. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.